Hey yo guys, this is Al from Open Source Channel. Welcome again, new episode on that today. And wait. This is the new website, guys, and finally up. It did take time, to be honest, and well, it's up. It's not 100% finished. We got some resources for you here to have a look. I would like to stress that some of them, not all of them, but some of them got some affiliate, such as, I'm not sure, I think, no, this one hasn't got the oxygen. I think Elementor got one, yeah. And CSS Hero, I think, yes. Those are the only two with the actual affiliate. So if you use that affiliate link, I will make some cash and I can do more videos. So try to help the channel. Here is the my tutorial page. There is not, all of them. At the moment, I just put 3 of them, the latest 3. Well, they're not really the latest ones, but I think I'm going to put 9 of them. And if you click on more on YouTube, you will be redirected here, where you can find all the rest of the tutorials. Going back. I got now a blog. Again, some of them got affiliate links. Some do, some don't. All right. CSS Hero and Amazon as well. And as you can see here, we got some blogs. Only 2 at the moment. In fact, I'm searching for people who can write blog articles. If you do, contact me and a collaboration. If you come to my website, go on contact, reason, collaboration, just write some of the information. Don't forget to click on the consent and send me a message. All right. Oh, by the way, don't forget to subscribe to my emails. You still get the free template, and soon I'll be making a new page that will redirect to the blog, where you can have multiple free WordPress templates and I think HTML5 as well, but also we're talking about template for WordPress. At the moment, I team up with a few companies around where I live in Wales to provide installations for WordPress. All right. So if you need WordPress installed, you need to migrate your website, you don't know how to do it, you don't have time, we can help. Just come here, put your name, surname. We don't have to put the surname, just put your name, your email address, so we can contact you. Choose what kind of installations or what kind of a service you need. You'll come up with an estimate code, an estimate cost. Say, for example, to install WordPress core, it'll cost about 50. If you want an extra plugin, or you want FTP, a new template, £75. But again, this is £75, but it's not going to be, we could do, if you are part of the open source family, you can pay a little bit less. So it depends what you need to be done. It is free. Just send them information out what you want. Don't forget your description and for your requirements, and we can give you a free quotation with no obligation, of course. And again, anything above the installation cost will go towards the open source channel to make better videos, so I can make even more related videos on open source. Okay, this is just to help. So today we're going to be a new tutorial. Now, as you know, I always try to bring as much as I can free software. In this case, lately I'm doing a lot of WordPress, because a lot of people are asking me to do WordPress. So is there any other plugin that I can actually easily build a website without using Elementor? And the answer is yes. Lately is a new plugin came out. It's called Brizy. And today, as you might already seen from the title, I'm going to show you how to install Brizy and how to get started. So if you go to brizy.io and download the latest, right? No, you don't want to chat. If you just click on top, free download, add your email, subscribe and download. Again, you cannot download it without subscribing, but why not? Just to subscribe. You know, you can get news, you can get tips on how to do better websites. There is also a pro version. It's not available at the moment, I think, but it will be available in the future. And the beauty of this one is going to be a lifetime deal, as you can see here from the top. All right. And here you can find all the information that you need to know. Now, to be honest with you, I haven't used this one before, so it's the first time for me as well. The price is going to be $215, but it's a lifetime. All right, a lifetime for unlimited website use. So, you know, lifetime updates, white label. Now, if you do build websites, this is the right plugin for the future, you know, and I think it's a very good deal for the price. Now, without any ado, I already download my my plugin, so I'm going back to the dashboard and I'm going to install the plugin. So I go to install plugin. Again, I need to press add new or add new on top of the page here. Upload plugins, choose file, and I think I put it on the desktop. There we go, 1.0.15. Now this is the latest one I have downloaded. If it's a new version, I don't know, but definitely this is the one I downloaded this morning. So unless they update it again, I don't know. I'm going to activate the plugin. Now, starting to the Brizy website, this works with any template. So we're going to appearance, we go to themes, and I'm going to add a new template. And I like to use Ocean WP. Again, you can use Astra, you can use, technically, you can use any templates you want, right? But I like Ocean WP, so I'm going to install it now. And let's do it. I'm going to also activate it. The one we had here is the 2016, I think it was. Yeah, 2016. Okay. I'm going to begin installation of the Elementor. Except Elementor. I'm going to do Elementor. I'm going to do just Ocean Extra and Ocean Daemon Import. I'll tell you what, yeah, let's do this one here. But I'm not going to do the Elementor because of course I'm going to use Brizy. So bulk action, install and apply. So we got the first problem here. I don't know why. Bulk upgrade screen 50. Too many arguments. Never seen that before. Let's have a look. What is the problem? Well, I did install it. I don't know why it came up with an error. I'm going to activate all of it. I'm going to investigate. I'm going to look at the video back again, and I'm going to, but it looks like that there was no issue whatsoever. So we're going to dismiss all this now. Dismiss this notice because logically we got Brizy, and here we go. So as you can see, we installed it. Let's go back to the front page, refresh it. Now this should be, as you can see, Ocean WP. We got the search. We don't have any menus. So let's go back and let's go to appearance and customize. Here we go. We go to site. Let's call it open source channel. Click publish. For now, I'm going to leave it as it is. But while I'm going to do this, I'm going to do dashboard, pages, add the new page, and I'm going to call it home page. Home. Let's call it just home. All right. I'm going to use the default page at the moment. Then I'm going to use Brizy, and I'm going to show you the difference. Now, again, as I said before, I don't know the difference myself, but we're going to discover it together. So I'm going back to let's go this one here. Right, all right. I'm going to do this once on the page itself. All right, so I don't want it to confuse you. So I'm going to general options, and I'm going to general page. I want to make sure it's the correct one. Yeah, breadcrumbs and everything. So once I'm happy with this, I'm going out, and I'm going to choose the page as my front page. So I'm going to put this one as front page. Otherwise, what happens, to access this page, I got to type /home. But I want to access this page, all right, on the main domain. So how you do that? Because at the moment, all you're looking at is the post, all right, is the blog post. So we go to settings, reading, and a static page. That's what you want, and you got to choose the page, and don't forget to save the changes. There we go. Go back to the home page here. I shall tell you what, I'm going to remove this one here. I'm going to refresher, and now, as you can see, is the home page. Now we got the title here. Now logically, we don't want the title. I don't see the options around here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add all. I mean, you don't need all of it, but this is what I'm going to do. Okay. So we'll go to the header. And I'm going to say content. I want the default for now. Slide bar default, margin, I want that. Shortcode, that's fine. Header, dot bar is okay. Logo, we got the logo, the Retina logo. We can add the logo there with the menu. We got the default for ones. Title, we wanted to disable that. All right. And we want to update. So this home title should automatically disappear. If it doesn't, control F5, and there we go, that's gone. Just in case, control F5, that will reload the page by clearing the cache. Okay, now we got Brizy, so let's start it by adding the page with Brizy, so we can actually have a look at what it looks like. The usual, my server is quite slow. Again, I'm running on XAMPP, as you can see here, 192.69. This is what I'm running on a different machine. And here we have the Brizy front admin, whatever you want to call it. Quite nice and stylish, quite compact. It's quite clean, as you can see here. So this one is a preview. Interesting. So this is what it looks like, the actual, not the page, but what it looks like, the design. So I can update, I believe this undo and redo. Here we have the elements again with the Elementor. All the elements are visible, and they got 3 tabs on top. It looks here the tabs are on the side. This is the blocks. All right, this is the styling. Interesting, quite nice, quite nice. So I can actually set all, again, I can set all the fonts here for the paragraph, subtitle, above the title, the heading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the buttons as well. Wow, we got the desktop and the mobile. That's nice. And this one here, page template, landing page. All right, this is the actual. Again, we can go, if I go to edit page here. So what it is actually, that one is the templates, the 3 options we go here. The default, the Brizy, and the landing page. Default landing page, exactly. So that's what we got. And we got the settings, so I can go here, exclude from rules. Fantastic. It looks really, really nice and neat, I must be honest. So anyway, why don't we start to design something? Let's see. So I'm going to press this one here. Oh gosh, we got, here we go. We got the pre-made blocks, as you can see. Oh, they look so free. They're not pro version here, as you can see. They're all free, guys. Amazing. Let's see, we got headers, footers, pricing, news, gallery, team, contact. And it looks like we got 2 versions, the light version and the dark version. We got same thing here. So we got 2, yeah, you got 2 different versions, the lighter version and the darker version. So this is the saved blocks, I believe. Fantastic. So I can actually say which one I use the most. So I can actually go straight here and choose them. And then we got a global. This is more or less like the one in Elementor. So yeah, it looks good. So anyway, let's do a lighter one. So let's go to hero. See if you can find hero. No, we got header. Okay. Let's have this one here. And it comes with already images installed. Fantastic. Right, so wow, look at this, guys. I can actually set the margins by just clicking on it. Fantastic. Wow. So I can duplicate, I can do settings, boxed, full. And again, I can change that to whatever I want. I presume on the bottom, yeah. Wow. Can I do this as well? Nope. It doesn't let me do it. And we got inline editing as well. So there is no like Elementor on the side. That's good. Above the gap, below the gap. Guys, it really, really looks good here. All right. Let me tell you, this is really good. So let me update this a second. And let me have a look how it looks with the... let me put this one here. How it looks with the actual menu itself. Even though we got no menu at the moment. So this is what it looks like. We got no menu here. Alright. And we use the... I presume... Let me go back here again. So I think I'm getting a little bit confused. Right, okay, let's go this one here. So this is the page. This is what we're looking at. So this is the Brizy. Let's go to the default. That's what I thought I had. but it looks like it went down to Brizy template. So now let's refresh. We should have a bar on the top. Here we go. All right, but again, it's not showing up a full screen. So to do so, I presume if I go to template here, all right, content layout is default. So if I do 100%, disable that, let's have a look. Let's save this one here. Let's wait a little bit longer because it's still doing it. There we go. Control F5. No, we're supposed to have a full screen. Here we go, with the top, as I mentioned. Now let's have a look again this side. Let's go to menu. Alright, so we're gonna put main and top bar as well. Actually, let's do the reason why it doesn't show up because I haven't added to the menu. So let's add it the home to the menu, and let's save it. Control F5 again, and hopefully, yes, we have the menu as well. And we got the menu on top the bar here. Now I think to remove that, I either remove this one here, but I'm going to leave it for now, or if I go back to the pages, all right, I'm going to leave this for now, and I'm going to just edit, not with Brizy, but just edit. And if I go to edit, as you can see, top header, if I'm going to disable that and then update, when I'm going to refresh this page, the top bar here, the top menu, whatever you want to call it, it should disappear. Let's do Control F5, even though it's still saving. There we go. Let's do it again. Control F5. And there we go, that's gone totally. And this is what it looks like. All right, fantastic. So let's go and do a little bit more. So I'm going to add a new block. And again, I can choose the, let's go to services. Let's add this one here. And it's quite fast as well, you know, and I can see that very, very easy and very intuitive, to be honest. So these ones are, okay, each one got their own menu, as I can see here. So when you click on this, the menu comes up and their own settings. Again, like the other one, I could do margins. All right, so each block got its master menu, as you can see here. So this one is for this one here, and this one is for this one here. Fantastic. So I'm going to do this. Now, I don't understand why it comes as two. So every time you need one, you gotta press on this part of it, and maybe just maybe, all right. All right, if I press the plus, this one comes up. So what about if I press on this one and I want another one? I got it. So the counters got to be done in this way then. And if I don't want this one here, I'm gonna do this. And there we go, we got this one here, and I'm sure we can play on the margins and everything. Yeah. So yeah, I'm sure we can do this and can play around. So yeah, perhaps this is the only way to do it. To create multiple, that's the only way. But again, I'll try to play a little bit more with it, and I'll try to do a new tutorials with a little bit more in depth. As I said, this is the first time for myself as well. So we got the reorder block. So it looks like I can actually reorder by just clicking like this, click drag and drop, and I can actually reorder. Fantastic. So I don't have to, if you remember with the Elementor, you have to click on this and drag and drop. Sometimes it was a little bit of a pain, but this one, it looks like you can actually do it here in the reorder block, and it looks like gives you as well the option to delete the block. In fact, let's see if I do this now. Well, on my machine is quite slow, but I'm sure on a proper server it won't be this slow. So I'm going to delete this block here. Let's see if it does. And it actually does it quite well and quite fast. So yeah, it's fantastic. Well, first impression of Brizy, it looks pretty good. Quite easy, intuitive. There are a few things, I need to learn as well before I can make a proper tutorial on how to use it. But again, don't forget to download your copy from Brizy.io. It is a free plugin. In the future, I think they're going to charge for the pro version. I don't think it's available now. And it's going to be available for one-off fee. And looks like it's going to be a lifetime fee for $215, I think, if I remember correctly. Let's have a look at it again. I don't remember if it's 215 or 275. I think it's 215. 215, yes. And it's a lifetime updates, unlimited website use, all pro features for life, and it's a white label. So hey guys, if you do this for a living, this is the right plugins you want to get. Again, thanks guys for reaching out, and thanks for subscribing. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to press on the bell to get a reminder every time I upload a new video. I'm searching, as I said, for people who can write blogs. All right, if you would like to collaborate with me, just contact me for blogs. I'm also searching for someone who can do After Effects, logo reveal and intro for my tutorials. So if you can do that, then we can find I can advertise you, you can advertise me, you can do the job for me. If you're interested to do that, just come on my website and just press collaboration, type your name. You don't have to put your surname, or just type your name twice, whatever. And don't forget to do the consent. Unfortunately for GDPR, I gotta do this. All your information will be deleted as soon as we got a deal there or whatever. I don't retain a lot of information. For any more information on the legal side, don't forget you can click on the legal policies, and here you can find my entire policy as well. Before you send in any information, feel free to ask me anything. Thanks again, Gaia, and I'll see you next time.